Hi everyone. If you have not seen our first video related to our Digital Herd Chrome extension for the Sitecore Content Hub, you can check it out on our website or YouTube channel. In that video, we described how to find the Chrome extension and the direct links in the navigation tab. Now in this video, we will run through the following two panels of our Digital Herd extension. Let's get started with the API links section. This offers excellent functionality if you often work directly with the API of the Sitecore Content Hub. For example, regarding integrations to retrieve the information that isn't displayed on the UI page, or if you find it easier to retrieve specific information that way. For example, by using the search option. Now let's check out the first item, entity. It is currently grayed out because I'm not on an entity detail page. You don't have to go to the entity first though. We also offer the option to type in the entity ID, for example, if someone asks you a question about it. As you can see, you can also fill in the identifier. Now click on execute. It opens up a new tab and displays the API result of that asset entity. Now let's go to the next one, the entity definition. You can again either click directly on the option and it will bring you to the general overview of the entity definitions. Or in this case, you can select a specific one from the list, for example, asset. We select it and click on execute. It is important to note that we add include conditional members equals true by default to ensure you don't miss any items in the overview. The option lists, we have the option to select it directly to get an API overview of all the options, or to select an option list from this list. In this case, let's just click on option lists and we see a nice overview of all of the option lists within the application. Now, the next option gives us a quick overview of all of the queues. So we no longer have to go through the different steps of settings, stats, and current activity. Now let's launch a mass edit job and retrieve it from our list. I'm just going to select a type, apply, confirm. The mass edit job is queued. And let's now open up the queues in our API. Clear loading, and let's search for mass edit. It might already actually be completed. An issue there. Okay, so now let's go to the last option. This one is specific for more technical profiles. Our developers find it very useful. When you're working on a specific component, you can use this item to open the parent page component. Now let's jump to the next panel, configurations. Here we go. This is quite similar to the first panel, navigation, but focused on configuration pages. For example, selecting actions or scripts opens a new tab to that page. Let's try it out for scripts, which you can see here, it opened it up in a new page. There we go. Now, there are two options that I want to highlight though, which are the edit this page and the clear all cache. Clear all cache, it's in the title, immediately clears all cache, saving you several clicks and time. Now, if you're working on improving the UI and UX of your pages, then you will love to use the edit this page. You can navigate through the application, check and evaluate different pages. And if you then want to update a specific page, for example, the assets page, you can just click on that specific button. So let's try it out for the assets page. There we go. Edit this page. And here we see all of the components that are built on that specific page. We can now add components, change components, and then view it, save it, and check if we're happy with the result. Now it works great with the clear all cache option to immediately validate the result of your update. Now we'll discuss the last panel, which is analytics, focusing especially on the performance report in our next and last video related to this extension. Have a great day. Bye.